Hi everyone, today we're going to talk to you about the main ways you can contact Planet IT if you've got any issues. So let's take a look and get started. So the first way you can get in touch with us for business critical issues is giving us a call, and that's on 01235 433 911, and that'll put you straight in touch with an engineer who can take a look at your issue and we can go straight from there. The second would be trying to email over to the support desk at support@planet-it.net, and that's for your general requests, installations, etc., and we can book it in or do the request via email. And the last one is using our Planet IT Helpdesk app. So on my desktop, if I load that one up now, and it's just going to ask you for a little bit of information, so you can just pop that in with a detail of issue as well. So today, let's say I have an Outlook issue, and then we'll just click connect. And that's just going to ask if you're happy with permission to see your screen, etc. So happy to click OK on that one. And then that's going to pop you through to a little queue where hopefully our next available engineer will be waiting for you to take a look. And now Robert's connected with myself and asked what I need. So from here I can chat with Rob, he can take control of my PC and take a look at my issue and hopefully get our issue fixed. So that's the three main ways to get in touch with us, but ultimately if you have any issues, just give us a call and we can take a look. Thanks for watching.